hope you had the time of your life. Photographs and still frames in your mind, hanging on a shelf in good health and good time. Tattoos and memories and dead skin on trial. For what it's worth, it was worth all the while. It's something unpredictable, but in the end it's right. I hope you had the time of your life.
I don't remember the rest of the part.
And he's dead! The best song in the world, or at least your soul's.
So me and Kyle.
Me and Kyle, that's what I thought.
With each other.
Look at each other.
And we're inside us!
Okay.
So we
Played the best thing that came to our heads. Just so happened to be the best song in the world. It was the best song in the world. Look at
I don't know the chorus.
I remember it was best for me. Once every 100,000 years or so. Just go. Something like that.
Oh,
Yeah. And the beast was stunned. He asked us, "Be you angels?" And he said, "Nay, we are but men." Rock. Whoa. Whoa. Yes, we're doing Tenacious D. This is not the greatest song in the world. No. This is just a tribute. Wow, that's good acapella. Can remember the greatest song in the world. Oh. This is a tribute to the greatest song in the world. Oh, yeah. To the greatest song in the world. Oh, yeah. The greatest song in the world. And then it's like,
the Jack Black starts stripping on stage and runs around like a maniac.
right. Yeah, like bad ticklish.
What happened?
He's ticklish. That's what I was just doing. Like Zoinks, dude. Hey, Rocky. I have something to tell you. What? What do you want to tell me? See you later. Stop. No. I know, it just sounded like that.
We are no longer the knights who say niche. We are now the knights who say different things.
Campus! What the hell, man? You can't smoke on campus.
You'll get the guy in the little mountain hat coming bitch at you.
Oh, that's a straight bottom, dude. They're gonna pay for that.
Like that.
The muffler's gonna have to. Oh, they're gonna.
Thank you. Oh, Lord.
Cops have no real power.
You will respect my daughter.
Oh, where's that?
That's fucked up. Hey, at least they didn't get that far. Yeah, look at that.
Red light.
Game Lord.
Oh, that's right.
No. No. You had the right way. You had the right way. You had the right way. Oh my.
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
Plus regulation.
Anybody else just get the feeling that we're just about to splatter a bunch of people all over the place?
Yeah, I'm kind of thinking that too.
Wrong with that, bro.
No, I didn't say it's a bad feeling.
Okay.
I feel amazing about it. Little marine skid marks all over the place.
Millionaire.
Jerry?
Nope.
Spikes.
No, that's a stadium.
It's stupid.
Whoa, that is a stadium right there.
You can't even see it, right,
I
Jason?
know, I'm just scared. I don't like how the sides are right now. I wish they'd already be fixed before we got in there.
Yeah,
This is going to be like one of those
yeah,
Final
watch it
Destination
crumble.
things. We're in the midst of Final Destination 7.
Like one little pebble falls off and the whole thing just fucking falls off and we die.
Shut up! Shut up! So if your bell falls out this time, don't go after it.
Oh yeah, and if y'all have ponchos, take them with you. If you don't, then don't take them with you.
Oh, if you don't, then you're...
Yeah, if you don't, you're screwed.
Bite your tongue, I don't have one. I've got balls.
Hey man.
Yeah, I got balls.
Rachel does too. You shouldn't have one either.
There you go.
Just giant exercise ball.
Balls.
I feel differently about saying
He's got big balls. She's got big balls.
That's creepy and strange in my
We've got the biggest balls of the ball. We've got big balls.